What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Desiree period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, the girl is gonna be doing a bust down middle part. You know the vibes. I'm gonna speak on this hair a little bit, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified every time you post a brand new video. It is greatly appreciated. And y'all, voila, love it over here. So yeah, that's how that subscribe. Cause you wanna know the vibes. Yeah, period. So this video is sponsored by Ft.SVT Hair. I am super thankful for them for wanting to sponsor one of my videos and wanting to work with me in general, you guys. But they were super nice to send me over a 26-inch body wave lace frontal wig, 13x4. It is absolutely a true 13x4 lace frontal wig, you guys. So y'all, the shipping for this hair was super fast. I believe I talked to them on like the weekend, and I got this here on a Wednesday. So it's like, I think they're AliExpress based company, so make sure to check the description box down below for all their information and stuff like that, y'all. So yeah, you know, AliExpress be quick with sending the wigs, baby. And if you want an affordable wig, this is the wig for you. This is a true 26-inch. It's even longer than 26 inches. I did measure it. Y'all gonna see that clip. It is a true 13x4 wig, because you know these companies, them stingy with the lace body. You understand? So sometimes we have to just work on that. But this company, they actually gave me a full 13x4 lace frontal, you guys. This hair, it does shed, but it doesn't shed a lot, y'all. The shedding is manageable. Like if I should brush it right now, I'm not gonna get any type of shedding. But if I actually keep brushing and brushing and brushing, I'm gonna get some type of shedding. This was a 180% density wig, you guys, and it was transparent lace. Y'all know how I feel about transparent lace, being a dark girl. I love working with transparent lace and HD lace. I feel like it blends so much better. But yeah, y'all, enough rambling, let's get right into the video. Hey y'all, so today's video is sponsored by Ft.SVT Hair, and they sent me over a 26-inch straight wig, which is a 30x4 frontal, and it's supposed to be like 180% density. So I'm about to be unboxing it with y'all real quick, and then I'm gonna get into the install process and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into it. And y'all, a problem I see a lot of girls have is like the wig is never true to length and stuff like that. So I do have my measuring tape. If y'all know, I always measure my wigs so y'all can see the full length of the hair, because I don't want y'all spending y'all money on false advertisement. But yeah, for real, this is the bag that they sent over. It's a beautiful like red velvet type of color, and it says show your perfect look, SVT. And then when you open it, it doesn't have a smell, but the first thing I see is a pair of lashes, you guys. Super pretty. I will be using these. And then I got some wig caps. It's two coming. This one, okay, that's all that comes in the bag. And then the wig right here, you guys, it's a body wave too. So they say 13x4 lace wig, body wave, 26 inches. And then you can see the curls, super pretty. Guys, take the net off. And it is transparent lace. The knots on this one is super small, so that's good, you guys. It did come pre-plucked also. And then this is how the lace looks. I might go in and pluck it a little bit more. And then this is the inside of the lace. Let me see if it's like a true 13x4. Okay, it is a true 13x4, you guys, so that is super good. Because the look I'm going for today, I think I'm going for like a no baby hair, like bust down side part. So I'm glad they gave you a true 13x4. And then this is the customization of the wig inside. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and then it just looks like this. You know, we got the adjustable bands down here to adjust it. And then let me measure it for you guys. The way these companies say to measure their wigs is like from head to tip, to like, you know. So as y'all can see, it's at 1. So you put it right here. Okay, so before it's stretched, you guys, it's falling at 25. So you see, that's before I stretch it. So it's already true to length. So then now after you stretch it out, it's like a good 31, 32 inches, which is super good. So this wig is actually longer than 26 inch. So that's good for me, y'all. So yeah, let me see if I get no shedding. This all that came out the wig from running my hands through it. That's all I got running through it, which is like regular. You know, if I had run my hands through it and I got like a whole bulk, that would be like a major red flag. So that's good. So I'm gonna do my ball cap off camera because I get a better lay when I do that. And then I'm gonna bleach the knots on this wig, and then I'm gonna come back once my ball cap is on. y'all, so this is the final product of the wig. Y'all, I love this wig, y'all. The only type of products I put on this wig was heat protecting spray, and y'all are supposed to see the type of heat protecting spray I used, which made this wig like super silky, and for me to get this bust down type of look, okay, period. But yeah, y'all, this wig was super easy to work with, you know what I'm saying? Like after I plucked it a little bit, it started to shed a little bit, but that's a regular. It's not no like tremendous shedding, like, you know, gonna go bald. No, it's like regular shedding with any type of hair. Like if it's human hair, it's supposed to shed, okay? Because if it's not human, something was wrong. Okay, yeah. But yeah, you guys, this hair was super easy to work with. But also make sure every wig y'all get, make sure to always treat it as if it's your own hair. Make sure to wash it and do all that good stuff to it before you know, put the wig on or whatever. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the end of my video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see y'all in my next videos. And also make sure to check out all my other videos. So yeah, see y'all later, y'all. Bye, guys.